This is how I cook my own version of pork ribs caldereta. Before I start cooking, let me introduce to you what caldereta means. Caldereta came from the Spanish word caldero or cauldron. And here are the ingredients. This is how I cook my own version of spare ribs caldereta. First, boil spare ribs in a caldero or cauldron for about 1 to 2 hours or until pork is tender. Add 4 bay leaves, 1 tablespoon of peppercorn, 1 teaspoon of salt. Boil for 1 to 2 hours. Heat enough oil in a pan. Sauté garlic and onion until the onion softens. Fry potato and carrot for 1 minute. Add pork ribs. Saute until the color of the pork turns light brown. Pour in pork stock. This is the stock I boiled an hour ago. This is about 500 milliliters. Add black pepper to taste. Continue stirring and let it boil. Add magic syrup to add more taste. This one is optional. Cover the pan and let it boil for about 30 minutes. Then adjust your heat to low. Continue stirring. Add pineapple tidbits and stir. Add tomato sauce and stir. I add ketchup here, because I don't have tomato paste. You can add tomato paste if you have. Add green chili. This is also optional. My kids love to eat spicy food, so I add 4 pieces of green chili. I'll add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Then cover for another 30 minutes to boil. I'll add baked beans to make it more flavorful. Let it boil and continue stirring. Do the test taste if the sauce is okay. And it is so yummy. Let it boil again for another 5 minutes and then ready to serve.